So these are the parts of division. This is the dividend, this is the divisor, and then yung answer is yung quotient. Ang gagawin natin, pag nag-divide tayo ng fraction, yung divisor, kukunin natin yung reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Yung numerator mapupunta sa denominator and yung denominator mapupunta sa numerator, and then papalitan natin yung division sign ng multiplication sign. So 3/4 as is ang dividend, papalitan natin to ng multiplication sign, and then reciprocal ng 2/5 magiging 5/2. Tapos, gawin natin yung ginagawa natin sa multiplication ng fraction. So, dito pa lang tingnan na natin kung may common factor sila. Pag wala, proceed na tayo. Multiply sa numerators, multiply sa denominators. 3 and 4, walang greatest common factor. 3 and 2, wala rin GCF. 5 and 4, wala din. 5 and 2, wala din. So, ibig sabihin, multiply na lang natin yan, yung numerators. 3 times 5 is equal to 15 over 4 times 2 is 8. Kung sinabi ng teacher ninyo na okay na yung improper fraction, okay na yan. Lalo na pag high school na kayo. Lalo pag sa slope. Okay, mas okay yan, improper fraction. So, kung papalitan natin yan ng mixed number, hindi gawin natin. So, pwede na yan 15 over 8 or 1 and 7/8. Number 2, 7/8 divided by 7 over 16. Okay, gawin ulit natin yung ginawa natin kanina. So, 7/8 as is ang dividend. Tapos, yung division sign, papalitan natin ng multiplication sign. And then, get the reciprocal of the divisor. 7 over 16, magiging 16 over 7. Yan. Tapos, tingnan natin kung may greatest common factor. Actually, kitang-kita naman dyan, ano? So, 7 and 7, kitang-kita. Huwag na tayo mag-ano dito. 7 and 7, meron yan. So, 1 na lang to. This is 1. 16 and 8, meron ding greatest common factor, which is 8. So, 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then, 8 divided by 8 is 1. Ayan. So, 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1 or simply 2. Number 3, 3/5 divided by 9 over 20. Same pa din. As is lang yung dividend. So, 3/5 pa din yan. Change this into multiplication sign and then get the reciprocal. So, magiging 20 over 9. And then, tingnan natin kung may greatest common factor. 3 and 9, meron yan, which is 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Tapos ito, 20 and 5, meron din. Greatest common factor, which is 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. Tapos itong 4 and 3, wala naman. Okay, so, proceed na. 1 times 4 is 4 over 1 times 3 is 3. Pwede na yan. Or 1 and 1/3.